Hello everyone and welcome to Informatica Support Videos. I am Namrata from Technical Support Team, and today in this video we will learn how to create an enterprise discovery profile in the Analyst tool in IDQ. The agenda of this video would cover what is an enterprise discovery profile. This will be followed by a short demonstration. Profiling is used to identify the various types of data that is contained in an object. We use Enterprise Discovery Profile to discover column profile statistics and relationships between multiple objects. We can either choose data sources that are already imported in the MRS, or you can also choose objects from the external connections already configured in the domain. We can create an Enterprise Discovery Profile in three ways: from the Developer tool, from the Analyst tool, or from the command line. Let's move to the demonstration. We'll access the Analyst tool. Click on New, Profile, select Enterprise Discovery. We'll name the profile. Choose a location to store the profile. Click on Next. Here we can select any of the data objects that have already been imported in the MRS. Items and promotions. Click Save. Here we can select objects from the connections created in the domain but not necessarily imported into the MRS that is configured with this Analyst service. Select Order Items and Orders. Save. Next. Here if we want, we can select any data domains if we want to enable data domain discovery. It's already selected Enable Column Profile, exclude data type inference for columns with approved data type. The runtime environment is selected as native. Here we can choose to run the profile on the complete data set, or we can choose a sample of first n number of rows. For example, we could say 100 rows over here. In this case, I'm just choosing all rows. Save and run. The Enterprise Discovery Profile has run successfully. Here we see the summary details of all the column profiles that we have run. How many strings do have like this for each of the profile. You can also view each of the individual profile. If you want, you can individually run each of these profiles, or you can run the complete Enterprise Discovery Profile. If we want to make any changes to the Enterprise Discovery Profile and we want those changes to be applied to all the 4 profiles that are lying in it, we have to check one option called Use Global Settings in Specify Settings. Use global settings for all profiles. If we do not check this option, any changes that we make will not affect the already created profiles under this Enterprise Discovery Profile. If at all we add any new objects, the new settings will apply to those settings. And that is how you create an enterprise discovery profile through the analyst tool in IDQ. You can refer to the following product documents or KB articles for further information on the same. Do let us know for any further feedback at supportvideos@informatica.com. You can also reach out to us on our Twitter handle. Thank you for your time.